before performing CPR. First and foremost, assess the situation and the individual. Once the scenario is safe, tap the person on the shoulder and ask, "Are you okay?" The person requires assistance. If it's clear that the person needs assistance, call medical emergency or ask someone nearby to call and send someone to get an automated external defibrillation.
Start.
Make sure the airway is clear. Tilt the head back slightly to elevate the chin while the person is lying on his or her back. Check whether the person is breathing. Listen for sounds of breathing for no longer than 10 seconds. Gasping sounds are not the same as breathing. Start CPR if the person is not breathing. Start. Cardiopulmonary resuscitation. CPR is a life-saving procedure performed when a person's breathing or heartbeat has stopped. This could happen as a result of medical emergency such as an electric shock, a heart attack or drowning. CPR is a technique that combines rescue breathing with chest compression. Rescue breathing supplies oxygen to the person's lung. Chest compression keep oxygen. Pulmonary resuscitation. CPR is a life-saving procedure performed when a person's breathing or heartbeat has stopped. This could happen as a result of a medical emergency, such as an electric shock, heart attack, or drowning. CPR is a technique that combines rescue breathing with chest compression. Rescue breathing supplies oxygen to the person's lung. Chest compression keeps oxygen-rich blood moving until the heartbeat and breathing can be restored. Mouth-to-mouth respiration. If the patient is not breathing normally, make sure he is lying on his back on a firm surface. Close his nostril with your finger and thumb. Put your mouth over the patient's mouth and blow into his mouth. Give 2 full breaths to the patient. This is called rescue breathing. Make sure there is no air leak and the chest is rising and falling. If this chest does not rise and fall, check that you are pinching his nostrils tightly and sealing your mouth to his. If still no breathing, check airway again for any obstruction. Continue CPR, repeating the cycle of 30 compressions, then 2 breaths until availability of AED or arrival of medical help.